How to withdraw to bank account on Bybit. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can withdraw to your bank account on Bybit. Now first things first, you can log into your Bybit account. In my case here, I'm on the Bybit application. You can open it up, log into your account, and then you want to navigate to withdrawal section. In order to navigate to withdrawal section, you want to tap on the assets option or assets tab at the bottom right corner of your screen, and on the screen you'll be able to see the withdraw option. You can simply tap on withdraw. Once you tap on withdraw, you'll have to set up this, and once you set it up here, now the Bybit itself is unavailable in my region, so I'll just be guiding you through. First, you'll have to select bank transfer as the withdrawal method. So I'll just do it right away for you guys here. Now unfortunately I'm unable to do so here, but once you do so, and then you'll have to select bank transfer as the withdrawal method. Now you'll have to set up Google Authenticator before doing so as well. After that, you'll have to enter the amount you wish to withdraw and select the currency. Choose the bank account you want to withdraw to from the list of linked accounts, and then you can withdraw it. So this way you can withdraw to bank account on Bybit. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.